Hello little buddies, today we are going to solve class 2 and associate B of 2018. So let's begin. So अब हम लोग लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का सेक्शन सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या क्वेश्चन कह रहा है. सो डैश एंड डैश विल कम इन अ प्लेस ऑफ P एंड Q रिस्पेक्टिवली. सो इफ़ वी सी, तो ये हमारा P है और ये हमारा Q है. सो अगर आप देखो, सो हियर वी हैव सर्किल और फिर यहाँ सर्किल है, फिर यहाँ सर्किल है. सो आप क्या पाते हो फ्रेंड्स कि जो पोजीशन है सर्किल का वो पहले थर्ड वन पे था, फिर फर्स्ट पे आया, फिर सेकंड पे आया, लाइक इट इज़ रिवॉल्विंग. वहीं जो 2 वाला है, जो सेकंड नंबर पे स्टार था, वो थर्ड पे आया, फिर फर्स्ट पे आया. तो उसी तरीके से ये जो हमारा ये स्क्वायर है और रोम्बस शेप का जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका नंबर क्या हो जाएगा. सो P एंड Q एंड जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन है वो इसकी होगी. सो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट विच इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज लाइक if watermelon is apple, apple is mango and mango is banana, then which one is the heaviest. So watermelon is apple, so apple is the heaviest. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या बोलता है. रीड द क्लू अबाउट द फिगर एंड आइडेंटिफाई विच चाइल्ड ड्रीव द एग्जैक्टली सेम. सो यहाँ पर आपको देखना है कि क्लू में दिया गया है 5 ट्रायंगल हैं, 1 सर्किल है और 3 रेक्टेंगल है. सो काउंट करना होगा हमें 1 2 एंड 3 4. सो यहाँ पर अगर देखें हम लोग तो जो मैचेबल है गिवन वर्ड से लाइक 5 ट्रायंगल्स होने चाहिए, तो वो ये तो नहीं है हमारे पास. यहाँ पर भी 2 ट्रायंगल है तो ये भी नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर भी 3 ट्रायंगल है तो ये भी नहीं होगा. अब क्या है तो देखिए 1 2 3 4 5. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम लोग देखें तो टोटल 5 ट्रायंगल्स हो जाते हैं और दूसरी ओर अगर हम लोग बात करें तो 1 सर्किल भी हो जाता है. तो हम लोग कौन सा कह सकते हैं, तो ये जो पिंकी के द्वारा बनाया गया ड्राइंग है वो करेक्ट है, यानी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का डी हो जाएगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगर हम लोग देखें तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ मेनी ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4 इमोजीज कैन बी मेड फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द गिवन इमेजेस. सो द इमोजी इज लाइक दिस. सो देखते हैं, ये रहा पहला ग्रुप हम लोगों का 1, दूसरा ग्रुप हुआ हम लोगों का ये 2, ये तीसरा ग्रुप हुआ 1 2 3 एंड 4, ये तीसरा ग्रुप हुआ एंड 1 2 3 4, ये चौथा ग्रुप हुआ. तो टोटल 4 ग्रुप बनाए जा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोग देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, डैश इज costlier than ball and dash is cheaper than a toy. So which one is costlier than ball? So doll is costlier than it. So first one is doll and then dash is cheaper than toy. So if we talk about this, then mobile phone or toy phone is cheaper than toy. So ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. अब हम लोग देखेंगे साइंस सेक्शन क्या बोलता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एडिएबल आइटम्स इज़ नॉट अ फ्रूट. सो यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि कुछ कैटेगरीज दी गई हैं और पूछा जा रहा है कि इनमें से कौन खाने वाला जो आइटम है वो फ्रूट नहीं है. ठीक है, क्या है, फ्रूट नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन डी जो है वो क्या होगा, फ्रूट नहीं होगा, ये रूट है. बिकॉज ये सभी किसी भी प्लांट के ऊपर पाए जाते हैं. वहीं कैरोट और रेडिश जैसे जो वेजिटेबल्स हैं वो इनसाइड द सॉइल होते हैं. सो दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ रूट, नॉट द फ्रूट. नाउ अब हम लोग देखेंगे सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन विच करेक्टली फिल्स द ब्लैंक्स एंड गिव द रिडल. आई एम स्लिमी स्लिपरी and the home in shell, and which I carry with me. So my body is soft and I move slowly. I am. So if we talk about the slowness of any organism, so the first one, that word which comes in our mind is snail. Unscramble the word letter in the box, find out the name of an animal. Now select the option which identifies name of its home and young ones. So here we have horse. If we rearrange it, then we will get HORSE, horse. Now X and Y. So if we see, then horses live in a stable and they have a fowl. So option D is correct here. Now let's see the next question, which is select the incorrect statement. We wear woolen clothes in winter. It is correct. We wear cotton clothes in summer. It is also correct. Children of mountainous region makes snowman during winter. So is it correct? Yes, it is also correct. We wear raincoats, goggles and gumboots on a sunny day. So gumboots is not correct. So option D is, like, this is not what we do in sunny day, because raincoats are used in on a rainy day. Which of the following is an internal organ is present in pairs? So brain is not present in pairs. A pair is called when it is a sufficiency of 2 units. Okay, so the stomach is also not 2 in number, heart is also 1, the kidneys are in pair of 2s. So option C is correct here. Next question, question number 11. So let's see which of the following shows living things together. So here if we see, the plant is also a living thing and the butterfly is also. So option A is correct. And then if we talk about the bird and this tree also, then it is also one. So we can go with option D, in which both of them showing the pair of living things. Which of the following is not an insect? So if we talk about it, then the pair which is not organism which is not an insect is a spider, and it is a part of a different group. So we will get to know about it when you learn about it in the higher classes. So till then, just keep it in mind that spider is not a part of insect group. Which of the following Anuj must do before activity shown in the picture X? So it is this. So what Anuj should do before eating? So he must wash his hands. So option A is correct here. Now let's see the 14th question, like, 3 of the following tools are the same professionals. So and select the odd one out. So this one is used by the cobblers and the rest are of the use of farmers. Let's see question number 15th. Look at the framed picture shown here. Which sense will a child use to describe the given picture? So the sense which also helps us to respond to ringing alarm clock, the sense which also helps us to differentiate between sweet and sour grapes, the sense which helps us to identify fragrance of the flowers, the sense which helps us to differentiate between red and green apple. So yes, we can differentiate between the colors through our eyes, and with the help of this organ or this sense organ, we can identify or describe this picture. Now let's see which of the following plants which leaf shown here belongs to a plant. So here it is a mango tree leaf, so option C is correct. Tanvi kept two rabbits under different conditions as shown below. So here it is, if we see, like cover with holes and carrot and rabbit pea, glass box and cover with holes here also, and this. So water is also provided here. So which rabbit die earlier and why? So if we see, here is also air and air in both the glass boxes, but here the rabbit don't have any kind of water while in Q the rabbit have one. So while rabbit Q, because it has a sufficient air, so it will not die earlier, it is incorrect. Like rabbit P, because it has no water to drink, so the option B will be correct here. The house shown in the picture is usually built in a place where, so if we see, there are wooden support system given to the house, so it clearly shows that the house is at a place where it rains a lot. Okay, now what is the name of the samadhi of our Rashtrapita? So if we talk about it, it is known as Rajghat. Okay, which of the following will help Jimmy to build a strong bones and muscles? So for it, Jimmy needs protein, and chicken's eggs are a wide source of protein. So option C. Then 21st question. Okay, seeds which shows seeds of which of the following plants are present in fruit growing underground and are good sources of an edible oil? So which of the following plants like present in food growing underground? So underground is like groundnut, okay. Unscramble the following letters groups and select the option that gives the name of the professionals who fit and repairs water pipes. So plumbers fits and repairs the water pipes, and the only letter which have P in it is this. And if we unscramble the word, then we will get plumber here. Now let's see. Select the vehicle that is similar mode of transport shown in the given picture X. So it goes through air. Helicopters also do the same. So option D is correct. Building X shown in the picture primarily made up of what? Like building X. So what is it made up of? So it is made up of marbles. It is basically lotus temple. And I have a question for you guys also. आप लोगों को ये बताना है कि ये टेम्पल कहाँ है, ठीक है? सो कमेंट सेक्शन में ये आप ज़रूर बताएं कि ये टेम्पल कहाँ पर है. Who among the following cannot differentiate between the musical sound of flute and drum? So he can't speak, he can't see, he can't smell. So he cannot differentiate between it because he has a headphone over his head and ears, covering his ears. Now let's see the 26th question, like which of these is correct? Do's and don'ts. So let's see the 26th number and what it is. Like biting nails is not correct. Like then put wastes in dustbin, it's correct. And pluck flower from the park is not correct. Then throw wrappers on the road is also not correct. Talk while eating is not correct. Chew the food properly. So which, and then we have, so which one is correct with regard to this? So talking while eating is also not correct. So, and in the second one, like, just a minute, yeah, throw wrappers on the road is also not correct. So what we can do, like, if we see the most correct options, like in all the three, biting nails is also not correct, and spit on the floor is not correct. Like, both are wrong here. Don'ts. Do's, if we talk about the do's, like what kind of work, like हमें कौन से काम करने चाहिए और कौन कौन से काम नहीं करने चाहिए. तो हमें दांतों से नाखूनों को चबाना चाहिए या काटना चाहिए? तो नहीं, उससे हमारे मुंह में जर्म्स चले जाएंगे. दूसरी ओर, स्पीट ऑन द फ्लोर, हमें क्या फर्श पर थूकना चाहिए? सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट गुड बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइजीन, यानी कि घर सुंदर नहीं लगेगा और बहुत सारे जर्म्स उससे भी घर में फैल जाएंगे. पुट वेस्ट इन डस्टबिन, तो यस, हम लोगों को डस्टबिन में रखना चाहिए डस्ट को और जो वेस्ट है उसको. वहीं दूसरी ओर, प्लग फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम द पार्क्स, सो पार्क से फ्लावर प्लग आउट करने चाहिए या नहीं? सो it is dependability, like the but in a park it is not good actually. And throwing wrappers on the road is also not good, like आपको रोड पे कचड़ा या रैपर्स कुछ फेंक देना चाहिए ऐसे, वो भी सही नहीं है. और टॉक वाइल ईटिंग, तो ये भी सही नहीं है. तो अगर हम देखें कि ओनली ऑप्शन विच वी कैन गो विथ इज ऑप्शन बी, विच इज़ प्रोबेबली मोस्ट सूटेबल. बिकॉज अगर आप देखो तो ज़्यादातर जो चीज़ें हैं वो यहाँ पर गलत दिखाई दे रही हैं. क्योंकि अगर टॉक वाइल ईटिंग अगर आप कहते हैं तो च्यूइंग द फूड प्रॉपरली वो डजेंट में आ जाएगा, तो ये ठीक नहीं होगा. सो इस हिसाब से हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि जो कार्य होने चाहिए वो हैं कि पुट द डस्टबिन्स एंड डोंट प्लग द फ्लावर फ्रॉम द पार्क, ऑप्शन बी. Okay, now select the incorrect match regarding the festivals celebrated in India. So Lohri, winter, Eid ul Fitr, summer, Holi, autumn, and Good Friday in spring. So tell me which is the correct one, friends. So Holi in autumn is incorrect. In 28th number question, Vishal and Amit are two brothers. Roshni is the daughter of Vishal. Okay, so Vishal and dash of Amit. So Roshni will be the nephew of Amit. Okay, or nice, which one will be correct? Tell me, nephew or nice? Nice, not nephew. Nice will be correct. So now let's see the 29th question. Okay, Rati took a communicating vessel as shown in the figure. She filled some water in it, and which of the following correct option shows the level of water in the vessel? So if we see the option which correctly shown the level of water is option B, because here the jar is empty, here two jars are empty, and then here the water level is too much high. So B is most correct. And then let's see the 30th question, like the type of temporary house shown in the picture can be seen in where? So if we have this house, then we can say that it is seen in Rajasthan. Okay, sorry, it can be seen in Kashmir, not Rajasthan. Okay, Kashmir. Now let's see the HUR section, which is, because if you have a visit to Kashmir, then you will get to know that there are many houses built like this as shown in the figure over water bodies. Achievers section, the last segment of this video, and let's deal it. 31st question, study the given flow chart and select the option correctly identifying P and S. सो पहला क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है हम लोग को, अचीवर सेक्शन का पहला क्वेश्चन मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इट इज़ अ प्लांट फाइबर, यानी कि एक प्लांट फाइबर है, यानी कि ऐसा फाइबर बाय द वे आई लाइक बाय सेइंग फाइबर, हमारा कहने का तात्पर्य है कि वैसे फाइबर्स जो कि प्लांट से ऑब्टेंडेड होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड ऑब्टेंडेड फ्रॉम द स्टीम ऑफ इट is P. So P has jute, the only suitable option with it. Then we have obtained from the steam and plant fiber. Then we have cotton in Q section, and then obtained from the hairs is wool in the R section. Okay, sorry, no in the R, so that's why we can go with option C. Food relationship based on different types of food shown in the box and select the option which satisfies the same food relationship. So here we have apple, egg and rice. So here apple is a protective food, then we have egg, protein giver, and then rice, carbohydrate or carb. So let's see which have the same order, like spinach fibrous food, good, pulses protein givers, and sugar carb. Yes, option D is correct here. Now let's see the 33rd question. Refer to the statements given for 4 children. Find out one had made the incorrect statement. My uncle's daughter is my cousin. My grandmother's son is my father. My mother's sister is my aunt. My uncle's son is my nephew. So basically Mohan has made the wrong statement. Option D is the right option for the question. Let's see the 34th question. Okay, study the given flow chart and select the option which correctly identifies XYZ. Okay, so creepers, shrubs and herbs. So X, Y and Z we have. Now let's see what it is. So cotton can be found from which kind of plant? Tell me. So it can be found from shrubs, then beetles are climbers, and jade like corianders are herbs. So option C is correct. Which of the following is similar to the process X shown in the given water cycle? So melting of ice, no. Freezing, no. Drying a moped floor, or changing of steam into water droplets. So drying of a mopped floor is matchable with X because both of them takes evaporation to dry up. So in this way we have covered the full solution of 2018 set B of NSO class 2. Hope you have liked the video, and if you liked it then share it to more students, and also subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel to get more interesting videos like this. Okay, and if you want to join the paid courses then also mention in the comment section so that we can contact you. Thank you.